Here's another example using the read, draw, write strategy. Remember, we read and write our thinking notes as we read. Then we draw and label. We write a number, sentence, or equation if possible. And then finally, we write a word, sentence, or statement. Here's an example for Lesson 8. As I read, I'm going to write my thinking notes. Organic whole wheat flour sells in bags weighing 2 and 915 thousandths kilograms. Go ahead and label this with my place value ones, tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. How much is this rounded to the nearest tenth? I'm going to draw an arrow to the tenths place. Use a place value chart and a number line to explain your thinking. So I know I have to do two things to explain. I need a place value chart and I need a number line. So part of the strategy was to read and do my thinking notes. I did that. Now I need to draw. I'm going to go ahead and draw my place value chart. Here's my decimal. So I have 2 ones, 9 tenths, 1 hundredth, and 5 thousandths. I know I have to round to the tenths place, so I'm going to write this another way. I'm going to write it as 29 tenths. Just took the 2 from here, and that leaves me with 100th and 5 thousandths. So I have the first thing I needed was my place value chart. Now I need to draw my number line to show the rounding. I know I'm going to round to the tenths place, so I have 29 on my chart, so I'm going to write 29 tenths. And then I'm going to write 30 tenths here. In between 29 tenths and 30 tenths would be 29 tenths and 5 hundredths, which I can write that as 295 and then just add a 0. So if I want to make all of my numbers have the same amount of digits, I can write 29 with 2 zeros here and 30 with 2 zeros here. Now I have to decide where this number would fall. Remember, my number is 2915. So it has to be somewhere in between 2900 and 2950. My number is 2915, which means that it's closer to 29 tenths than it is to 30 tenths. So 2.915 rounded to the nearest tenth. Remember, this is part of the W in my strategy, the read, draw, write strategy. I'm writing my statement. Round to the nearest tenth is 2.9 or 29 tenths.